Hey, what's happening? So let's just today we're just gonna pop this 5-pack open. This is of course the Nightburnerz set for this year. If you didn't know, open it from the top. A little perforated line up top. It's easy. Ish. Good. We'll just work our way down the thing. Of course, we got Ford Sierra Cosworth in white. It's got this tinted blue for the windows. There's the white disc wheels. Lensed headlights on there. Obviously, it's just part of the window piece. That's cool. Pretty cool deco on here. White, orange, blue. Got this spoiler wing on the back here. You got mirrors. Take a look at the inside. Got the two back seats with the little bars in the middle there though. And then nothing in the back there. Give it a roll. Pretty good roller. Pretty good roller. Alright. Then next we have the Nissan Maxima drift wagon. That's a nice kind of like it's a gray. It's more of a gray. The chrome interior. And I got Nissan down here. Got the Japanese writing across there. Mirrors up on the front of the up there. The lips. Chrome bumper. Of course, we got the see-through thing for the engine. It's really nice. Nice. Give it a roll. There you go, Nissan Maxima drift wagon. And then, oh yeah, that's a nice, beautiful GR Supra in this very nice red. A GR Supra right there. Nice front end right there. And something on the inside of this. That probably does not belong in there. I gotta look at that shine. Very nice. Here we go. GR Supra. Then we have the Lamborghini Veloce in black. Gold wheels. Little chrome bumper. And this little top right here is another chrome piece also. Chrome interior as well. Lamborghini. Of course, we got the green, white, and red for the Italian flag. 5. Must be like mud flaps or something back here, I think. Yeah. I think. Oh, that smells pretty alright. And then lastly, we have the Subaru WRX STI in this pink and black. Very nice. There's the front. Looks pretty good. It's got a gray interior. I'll try to get a good shot of that. Get good. Yeah, pretty nice. Ooh, very nice roller. This roller's very good. It's probably the best roller of the bunch. Very nice. Pretty smooth on that one. Awesome. So yeah, there you have that. The Nightburnerz 5-pack. Cool. And can still display it. Let's open it from the top. Put it right back together. So, yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Just a little unboxing. Thank y'all for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.